Hello my beautiful sexy Lexi babes, and welcome back to another video. So if you want to learn how to make this rose gold beautiful lip scrub, then keep on watching. So to begin, we're obviously going to need some white sugar. You can use any white sugar of your choice. So I'm trying to fill about 10 jars of lip scrub, so I'm going to use 1 cup of sugar. So here we have our grapeseed oil, and I'm going to use about 1/4 cup of this oil to start off with because I don't want to have too much oil. I'm going to go ahead and give that a stir and a nice mix to see how well that oil blends in with that sugar, to see if I need to add a little more. So I wanted to make sure that this lip scrub was really moisturizing, so I did decide to add more oil. So here I have 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add that, and you're going to actually see me do this twice. So the total amount of oil that I used was 1/4 cup of oil, and then I added 2 tablespoons, and all of this was in 1 cup of sugar. So now I'm going to add my delicious smelling bubblegum scent. Now I'm going to add my Sparkle Rose pigment from TKB Trading. I really love this color. I'm definitely going to get it in the bulk size. Now I'm going to add these cute sugar pearls. They're like sprinkles. I got them from Walmart. And remember, everything that I always use in my videos, the link will always be in the description. here's a super cute close-up of how this lip scrub looks. It looks so good, make you want to eat it. Now it's time to start filling up our lip scrub jars. So for this part, all you need is a Q-tip just to go ahead and clean the perimeter of that jar, just to get as much as the sugar off of the sides as you can. Are my beautiful lip scrub labels. I'm just gonna put these on top of the jars so that I can label them and make them look even better. If you want to learn how I made my labels, just watch my how to customize and create a Shopify website. There is where I showed how I made my logo. You always want to make sure you brand each and every one of your products so that when people are out and they're using your products and people are like, oh my gosh, girl, where did you get that from? You can say, I got that from Sexy Lacy Inc. and they'll see the logo and everything. So branding is very important when it comes to running a business. After I'm done adding my labels to each one of the lip scrub jars, this is how they came out. Again, thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I'm so happy when you guys leave comments saying that I helped you all. That is my goal. So I'm so happy that I'm able to help you all and really pursue you and inspire you and motivate you to start your business and keep your business going. And I just wish you all nothing but success. Again, as always, have a blessed day.